If you're ready to build muscle fast and don't have access to a gym, this is all you need. No machines, no barbells, just your body. These 6 powerful bodyweight exercises will completely change your physique and help you develop serious strength, endurance, and definition right from your living room. Let's get into it. Push-ups. Push-ups are the ultimate upper body builder. They target your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core all at once, helping you develop a balanced muscular frame. Unlike isolated machine work, push-ups demand full body coordination and real strength. The best part, they're endlessly versatile. Try diamond push-ups for triceps, wide push-ups for the chest, or explosive clapping push-ups to develop power. Mastering push-ups builds not just size but muscular endurance, joint strength, and stability too. Squats. Nothing beats squats when it comes to lower body growth. This classic move lights up your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core. It mimics real-life movement like sitting and standing, making it incredibly functional. Squats stimulate natural testosterone release, helping you build more muscle and burn fat efficiently. Whether you're going for high reps or explosive jump squats, you'll develop strength, mobility, and serious leg definition. No weights needed. Plank. At first glance, the plank may seem too simple. But don't be fooled, this is a true test of core strength. It activates your deep abdominal muscles, obliques, and even stabilizers in your back and shoulders. A strong core is the foundation of nearly every other movement, and the plank is how you build it. With regular practice, you'll improve posture, reduce back pain, and boost total body stability. Spice it up with side planks or plank to push-ups when you're ready. Before we get into the next exercise, if you want to actually transform your strength and movement for real life, this channel is where you need to be. I'm here to bring you practical workouts and expert tips that build real, lasting power. No fluff, no hype. So hit subscribe and join a community focused on getting stronger, moving better, and owning every day. Alright, let's get back into the video. Lunges. Lunges are a game changer for leg development and balance. Unlike squats, they work one leg at a time, which helps correct muscle imbalances and build unilateral strength. You'll hit your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and even your calves, all while engaging your core for balance. Whether you're walking, sprinting, or climbing, lunges directly improve functional performance. Add jump lunges or Bulgarian split squats to level up the intensity. Burpees. This move is brutal, and that's exactly why it works. Burpees combine strength and cardio in one explosive package. You'll target your arms, chest, legs, and core while also pushing your cardiovascular system to the max. That means more fat burned and more lean muscle gained. They're ideal for anyone trying to get shredded fast. If you're new to burpees, start slow and modify until you're ready to go all out. Glute bridges. If you want power, you need strong glutes. The glute bridge isolates and strengthens your gluteus maximus, medius, and hamstrings. Muscles that play a major role in sprinting, jumping, and even standing tall. This movement also supports your lower back and boosts posture. For a deeper burn and more strength, progress to single-leg glute bridges or add tempo to each rep. These 6 bodyweight exercises are all you need to sculpt muscle, increase strength, and transform your body, anytime, anywhere. No excuses, no equipment, just results. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more science-backed fitness tips. See you in the next one.